So guys, I just want to hop on here and make another video. This one's going to be a little bit different. It's going to be a little bit more of me talking, and then we're actually going to jump back in time to kind of like where the YouTube channel began. But before we do that, I want to thank each and every one of you guys, the 6,600 subscribers. Without you guys, I wouldn't be here. We wouldn't be doing what we're doing now to the 98. It's you guys that drive me to actually get my stuff done. I've actually had the body panels for this truck for almost 3 years now, and I couldn't find the time and motivation to get to it until I started making YouTube videos. So I want to thank you guys, all the support and everything that you guys give me. Not only myself, like my fiance when she's on here, obviously all the guys that come and help me. Huge thank you to all of you guys. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump back in time. We have a little surprise and I'm excited to show you guys. Went and bought this past Thursday. It's currently Sunday. And yeah, it's a 6.2 diesel, but just not any 6.2 diesel. It's a turboed 6.2 diesel. Another video. This one is of my 1986 6.2 turbo diesel. It's a K2500 high Sierra. What is going on, guys? I'm back with another video. This is glow plugs on the 6.2s. How to change them. Yeah, so if you guys can't tell, we have the OG 6.2 with the turbo back on the channel. Guys, this truck, when I sold it 4.5 years ago, is one of those things I regretted ever since. It was such a fun truck. I missed having it. I told my fiance multiple times, like, hey, if I ever find that truck back, I'm gonna buy it. So we ended up doing just that, guys. Don't get me wrong, I do love the 79 and stuff, but this truck right here is basically what got my YouTube channel started. I know one of the cold start videos on it has like 150,000 views, maybe more. I'm not exactly sure, but I mean, it is up there. So we end up finding this truck back. It was about 2.5 hours away up in northern part of Indiana. The guy I sold it to actually blew the motor up in the bed. The OG motor. He said he drained the oil one day and there's some metal shavings in it, so he pulled it and it sat for probably 3+ years. He does have another motor here, and we do have a lot of parts on the inside for it. And I mean, guys, this truck is the exact same that I sold it. It's still got my OBS Nation decal that I made like 6 years ago. It's got my, let me guess, license and registration. It's got the exact same exhaust stack I put in it. It's got a little bit more body rust on it than when I sold it, but no big deal. We're gonna keep it exactly how it is for now. We're gonna get both motors built. I'm talking, we're gonna go all out on this, guys. We're gonna do ARP head studs. We're gonna do the dynomax cooling fan upgrade. We're gonna do everything to make this thing one bad unit. We are gonna keep the 6.2 in it. A lot of guys are saying 12 valve swap it, but guys, I gotta be different. I love the 6.2 in it. I love the V8, like naturally aspirated sound, but then you get that nice little turbo spool to it. So guys, it's staying 6.2 for now. Maybe later on and down the road we might 12 valve swap it, but for now it's staying the exact same. We're gonna get it cleaned up. Still has the hood pins and everything in it. Yeah guys, I mean it hasn't changed. I don't know what else to say. Like, it's power windows, door locks. I put the boost gauge in here. Everything in here is the exact same minus the radio. He did take the radio out, so I'll probably end up throwing one of those back in here eventually. But the decals that I stuck on there, the same. The seats all the same. I actually put this duct tape on the seat because it was ripped. Decal down here. We are getting some floor rust, as you can tell. It's getting pretty bad, so we're gonna have to address that at some point. But we're gonna drive it like it is for now and just go with it. 4-wheel drive. Still has my business cards in there, so I mean it's crazy at how much this truck has not changed since I sold it. So I mean, he's got parts for the new motor. There's a new ignition lock in there because I'm assuming he lost the key. Gaskets. There's a new water pump here. Good thing is the old one already has a serpentine belt setup, so we're ready to rock and roll for the dynomax cooling fan upgrade, so we shouldn't have any cooling issues. We're definitely going to be doing some upgrades to the suspension and stuff, cleaning everything up underneath here, making sure it's all good to go, probably swapping in a new fuel tank at some point. But I mean, for the most part guys, the frame's in pretty good shape. Yeah, it's a little crusty and flaky, but for, I mean, what, 86, a 30-something-year-old truck, if my math's correct, don't quote me on that, I'm just going off, it's fairly solid. Now the bed on the underneath side, the cross members are pretty much shot, so we're definitely going to be getting a new bed at some point. But yeah, for the most part guys, it's here. We're ready to build it. So yeah. Anyway guys, I just wanted, I'm so speechless, I don't even know what to say. I'm ready to build this thing. I hope you guys are. So if you have seen that cold start video, be sure to smash that subscribe button guys, because we are building this thing. We're gonna build it better than ever. It's gonna be one sweet truck. So I appreciate you guys, and remember, learning as I do, doing I love. I'm the GM man, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.